Now, with question 5, it's easier if you find all the discriminants first and then identify which ones are rational roots. So, let's identify the discriminants. You should know how to do that by now because you know the discriminant formula, which is b squared 4ac, which is just another quadratic root for the quadratic formula. So, with a, part a, I have to identify my a, b, and c. So that's 6 minus 5 minus 6. And then all I have to do is sum it in. So for this one, my b squared delta is, take 4ac. I'm just going to put the numbers straight away. So minus 5, make sure you have a bracket, squared. A times minus, c. So that becomes 25. And then minus times minus turns into a positive. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 4 is 144. So that becomes 9, 6, 169. So as you can see, my discriminant is greater than 0. You know what this solution will give us. So all we have to do, you need to determine if this one has a rational, so you don't have to actually state the nature of the function, sorry. So you just got to figure out if it's a rational root or not. So what that means is when I put it under the square root, this discriminant, because that's what looks like in the quadratic. So if I write the whole quadratic, it looks something like this, if you remember. So all we need to know is if it's going to be a rational function or not, a rational root or not. So what that means is if I put a square root over that discriminant, what am I going to get? If I get a whole number, that is a rational root. So if I get a whole number, which is 13, it becomes a rational root. So this one, therefore, rational root. And you can just figure out by using the calculator. You can just chuck it in the calculator, square root of 169. And that's it, as long as you summarize that.